Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? It's your boy who was Hendo, and we back talking sports. So we up in here, and this is a request. Who is better, Larry or Magic? And you know, for years, up until maybe 2 years ago, I thought Magic was better than Larry. Up and about maybe 2 years ago. And then I started diving really into Larry career again and diving into Magic Johnson career and looking up tape and watching full games and just, you know, doing my due diligence. And right now, in my estimation, Bird is better. And I'm about to explain why I believe Bird is better now. After really looking at both of their careers and watching full games. I'm not old enough to have watched them live. So, you know what I'm saying? All I can do is go back and really watch the games. But let's get the tail of the tape. Championships, Magic, 3 to 5. Seasons, both 13. Playoffs played, Magic Johnson went to the playoffs every year. Larry Bird missed 1 year of the playoffs. They both basically made the All-Star team every year. Well, Larry made the All-Star team every year. Magic missed one. Both 3 season MVPs. Magic got one more Finals MVP. All NBA first team tied. All NBA tied. But this is where it differs. And this is where I give Larry a little slight edge. All defensive team. 3 for Larry, 0 for Magic. Of course, the assists. Come on, that's not gonna be close. But Larry was a really good passer too. But come on, Magic, greatest passer ever. To me, is Pete Maravich because he learned some stuff from him. But that's just me. Steals leader, Magic. Rookie of the year, Larry Bird. Now, stats per game. Larry damn near averaged. Okay, he averaged 24, 10 rebounds. So Larry leads in points, rebounds, assists is Magic, steals is Magic by .2. So that's basically tied. Blocks is Larry Bird by .4. So Larry is really either tied or leads in all 4 categories. Magic, well, no, I'm sorry, in 4 out of 5 categories. Total stats is kind of skewed. It's kind of hard, but you can't. I don't really go by total stats because you got to go games, who missed what, who started what. But 21,000 points for Larry, 17,000, whatever. I really going by the per game averages. Field goal percentage, Magic 52%, Larry 49. Well, basically 50%. 3 point, everybody know Larry Bird, better 3 point shooter. 38% rounding. 30% for Magic. Free throw percentage, Larry better free throw percentage. But Magic was a good free throw shooter too, but 89% to 85%. Now, their best seasons, Larry averaged 30, 11, and 8, and 2 steals. Magic averaged 24, 10, 13. He basically averaged a triple double and 3.4 steals. That's amazing. 3.4 steals. So he basically averaged a triple double. You know what I'm saying? Now, in the playoffs, Larry averaged 24, 10, and 7 assists. Magic average, and we rounding, basically 28 and 12 and 2 steals. And Larry averaged 2 steals and a block. So Larry and Magic really close if you really look at it. But this is my difference. This is where I differ at. Like in the playoffs, Larry got the points, the rebounds, Magic got the assists. Steals is damn near identical. And the blocks is Larry. And then you go to the best playoffs. Larry's best playoff was 28 points, 14 rebounds, 9 assists. Magic's was 25, 14 rebounds, 15 assists, and 3 steals. So he basically, his best playoffs was better than Larry Bird's. Kinda. Well, no, because Larry beat him in points and the rebounds, and then he leads in the assists and the steals, and then blocks is Larry. So yeah, Larry. So this is my estimation. Larry Bird was the better scorer. He was the better rebounder. He was the better defender. He was the better mid-range shooter. He was the better three-point shooter. He was the better finisher. But Magic was the better winner. But Magic also, no, Larry Bird had nobody that was close to Kareem. They're both is close. They both close. If you have Magic over Larry Bird, you can't really. I mean, it's not really. You could really flip a coin with these two. But I'm going with Bird because I think Bird was more skilled. I think, like I said, he was a better defender. He was a better 3-point shooter. Just shooter in general. He's a better shooter, rebounder, defender. Magic the better. Magic was the better playmaker, of course. But other than that, he don't rebound the ball. He don't score the ball better. He don't defend better than Larry Bird. Even though Magic was a good defender, but he don't defend better than Larry Bird. So to me, I believe Larry Bird is better than Magic Johnson, but that's just my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. This been Who's Hendo with another video. Man, I'm out. Peace.